We often need to convert MS Word documents to PDFs for several reasons. But if the content is sensitive, you can protect the created PDF with a password. To convert Word document to PDF, you can choose either the Save As, More options, or Export approach. Click Options. Go to the PDF options. Uncheck PDF Archive. Select Encrypt the document with a password. Click OK. Provide a 6-letter password to encrypt. Click OK. Finally, click Publish. Now, when you open the created PDF, it will prompt you for a password.